So the idea of moving to Perry, Georgia is becoming real popular for a lot of homeowners. There's a lot of new construction communities that are getting built up around Perry, and one fine example of that is the Preserve in Ag Village right outside of Perry. Now the good thing about this community is it's not right in the middle of town, it's more on the outskirts, so it's peaceful, you're closer to the countryside, and not in so much traffic and congestion. The other thing that I love about this area is it's only about 1.5 miles away from the Perry National Fairgrounds, which there's a lot of events going on year-round. And you still got a 10-minute drive to downtown Perry and all the charm and amenities that Perry has to offer. Now, if you're still interested in what you can do in Warner Robins, Bonaire, and Kathleen, it's about a 15 to 20-minute drive to Warner Robins and everything that it has to offer. But at the rate that Perry is growing right now, it won't be long before you won't have to leave Perry for anything at all. So come on with me. We're going to go through the Preserve at Ag Village and take a look at one of their big model homes. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story house, and see if this is something that you want to make your forever place. Now don't forget to click on our link below to our buyer's guide, which will go through the pre-approval process, kind of help you with finding a lender, which by the way, DR Horton Homes is currently offering 4.99% financing if you go with their lender, which of course you have to be pre-approved. And since this is on the outskirts of Perry, DR Horton Homes in the Preserve actually qualify for USDA lending, and the proper buyers can qualify for up to 100% financing. Plus, they're currently running an offer to pay $10,000 credit towards the purchase of one of their new homes. So let's take a look and see if this is what you want to make your forever place. Now, as you walk into this house, the first thing you're going to notice is this LVP flooring. Now, this is similar to the cinnamon flooring that we use in a lot of our houses. It's very durable. It's about 12 mil, so it holds up to a lot of kids' traffic and muddy feet. So it'll be easy to clean and last for a long time. Now, if you come into the back half of the house, you'll know this is a huge kitchen with the pantry in the middle, the quartz countertops, and the open concept leading to the living room all across the back. Now, in this model house, the master suite is right here on the main floor, so master on the main makes it really easy for a lot of people to enjoy. They don't have to go up the stairs, they can leave that for the kids. And just like the kitchen, you've got the quartz countertops in the bathroom with the double sinks, bathtub, soaking tub, and a separate shower. And the closet in the bathroom keeps it tucked away and out of public eyes. And the master bedroom has a great view of the backyard to keep an eye on the kids conveniently while you're hanging out in your own room. Now, right across the hall from the kitchen, you've got the guest bathroom, half bath. And then right around the corner to the garage, which the garage door actually is a spring-loaded door, so it won't get left open by mistake and run up the electric bill. Now, this one's still getting painted, so forgive the drywall. Now let's go upstairs and see what the second floor has to offer. Now, as you can see, the second floor is all carpeted, which is good for soundproofing and keeping all the noise down from the second floor to the first floor. But the part that I love about this house is the huge open living room on the second floor. So if you decide you want to have a party on the second level and keep the public eye out of it, you can pretty much fit a whole family up here and still have plenty of room to run. Now, right off the second floor living room, you've got the first bathroom with bedroom number 1 right next to the bathroom. And then right around the corner, you have the laundry room, which is on the second floor. And one convenient feature that I like is the double doors right here give you easy access to the air conditioning unit. So if anything happens, it's real easy to get to. And then bedroom number 3. Now, these bedrooms have a single door closet, not walk-in, but they are big enough for anything the kids might need. And then bathroom number 3 on the other end, double sinks, shower tub combo. And then bedrooms 4 and 5. Now, in some of my other videos about new construction homes and the builder's incentives, I also mentioned that DR Horton is offering a $10,000 credit right now for the purchase of their new homes. And you probably noticed through the walkthrough that the bedrooms don't have ceiling fans, which is sometimes pretty common in most new construction homes. But with that $10,000 credit, you can negotiate to have ceiling fans installed, or maybe you want to have a backyard fence put in. So those are some of the things that you can use as leverage with that $10,000 credit to help you get the house that you want set up the way you want it. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that tour of DR Horton Homes' biggest 5-bedroom house model that they've got. Now, they have 3 or 4 other models from 3, 4, and 5 bedrooms, 1 and 2-story. So if you're looking for something a little bit more simple, then contact me. We can look around and see what models that they have. And they've got over 30 other lots that they're building on. So there's plenty of them coming this way, so don't be worried about you might not get the one that you want, because they've got plenty of room to grow. So if you want to make one of these houses your home, reach out to me and we'll get together and come up with a game plan to get the best deal for you. And I'll talk to you on the next video.